No. You went to Ohio State?
Hey peeps. I haven't vlogged in so long, but guess where your girl at? Miami. With some friends from college. Me and Shauna has been hanging out since college, but we in the liquor store now. We already made it to the, it's like a resort Airbnb. But yeah, so I'll do like a little tour. It's kind of really small, but it's nice though. It's definitely gonna be cool for pictures. Oh, I wish they would have had the summer one. It was like a watermelon.
I love apple. I haven't had pineapple. I haven't had peach, and I most certainly haven't had mango.
Oh, peach.
This kind, remember the red berry?
Have you tried it? I probably tried all the Amsterdam because my friend OU, all she drank was Amsterdam, so we used to always.
Is this new? I swear this is new.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
I've never had New Amsterdam. It is a New
Got in here so excited.
It's so
let me get off here so I can talk to them about about what I want. But yeah, we're gonna be lit. And so that's Ari, that's Giovanni right there. So Ari, we've all hung out in Columbus before. Giovanni I have not seen since she graduated.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But me and Giovanni, we met. Funny story, y'all. We met because we were kind of doing like a talent show thing, and we won that whole period.
We sure did.
Yes, I met Giovanni when I was a freshman. They're a year ahead of me, but we're all the same age. So I will check back in with y'all when we actually like do something, but we just didn't look at them. Okay, y'all, let me do a tour. So we come in, and this is what you see.
And then we're gonna come back out here.
So here's the kitchen.
And then,
so I'm trying to go fast, y'all, because it's really a small area. Ow, I just pinched my finger. Microwave. Glasses. Yeah. Got knives, coffee. We do got some pots and pans. I don't know where they're at. So yeah, pots and pans, a little griddle thingy, electrical griddle, I don't know. Here's everybody, here's the TV. Then there is a couch. This little area is really nice. This will be nice for a picture, like right here, cat corner, and then a picture like right here. That'd be nice, y'all. And then here's the bathroom. Oh, y'all, the light is not right there. Okay, so here is the bathroom. And everything, all the details for where we're staying will be in the description. So if you like it, you're interested, check it out there. And here's the mirror. So here's the room, y'all. So it is just one room, which I do not recall it being just one room. I'm trying to find the light. What's so here's this big old mirror. Ooh, big old mirror. And then here's the room. So we're all gonna be sharing a room. So just make sure y'all understand that. Cause I don't think I knew that. But it's a fine. And it's like double doors.
I don't even know if I'm better get up tomorrow.
And so here's just a picture of the front. I think y'all saw it when I showed y'all this. But so, yeah, it's really bright, all white. Yeah.
Hey.
Mirrors, glass. Yeah, everything will be in the description if y'all are interested. So we're about to go eat, me and Shauna, because we're hungry. So I will show y'all the food when we get down there. This is cool. Yeah, it's a vibe. Y'all, I'm going to Publix for the first time. How exciting! I'm trying to look back because I'm walking backwards so we can get this lighting. Look at you, girl. And now I'm dark. How tragic. But we're at Publix. I'm gonna get a sub because the man told me on the airplane to get a Publix sub and that it would change my life. So here we are. I've never been to Publix, y'all. I can't even believe it. Look at the palm trees. It's giving vacay. Y'all, I got that song stuck in my head. Let me tell you, y'all, they were jamming on this trolley. Jamming. Y'all, wait till I put them more in the vlog. Y'all gonna be like dying. Okay, they got a Starbucks in here. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Publix. Oh, this is nice.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this orange is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
I mean, we get more drinks and we get a snack. Yeah. Okay, we about to get stuff, y'all. Let me go. Oh shit. Y'all, do y'all see this? Our Uber driver helped us put it onto the carts and get it in the building. He was so sweet. And now we over here, it's the groceries hanging from the hooks for me. Let's see what we're in for. Look at you, Shauna, being a whole influencer. Y'all, she was just doing good on her phone, talking to the keyboard. So y'all, we are behind and in the middle of Lowe's and Palms Hotel down further on Collins Avenue. And we're trying to get to, but you see those are white and red, not just red. Shit, we're gonna ask them. Excuse me, we're trying to find the parasailing. They said, just right there? Okay, thank you. I ain't got time to be walking around. Y'all, I feel like I'm backlit, I'm not sure. Backlit? Yeah, like when the sun is, so if the sun is, you know,
okay,
you know?
Yeah, like that everywhere right now.
Okay, y'all, it's hot. I'm getting hot.
Ooh, the sand is hot.
Whew. They got like, really, I wish we could have did like a bike ride. Well, we're supposed to be doing jet skis, but we still ain't bought no jet skis, so.
Oh, we're getting into that probably Tuesday. See what we want to, see what we have time for, you know.
They out there jet skiing. I want to be jet skiing, y'all. So that, okay, is that the parasail? Yeah. Oh my God, we're about to be in the sky. Okay, so who do we talk to? Oh, we go just right here in the middle? Yeah, I think we just go right here. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
You guys in charge of the parasailing?
I am. Do you have a reservation?
Yes.
Perfect. What's the name?
Amber. Ooh, it's hot.
Amber. You guys are all set. You guys can come up and see right here. Right behind. There's some shade right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Thank you. I wish there was some. Is there something to drink?
It was fun.
Okay, yeah, let's put the sunscreen on. Y'all just came down?
Yeah, it was fun.
Do you go pretty high?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm about to put my bathing suit
I need my sunscreen.
on and put the sunscreen on. My bathing suit, something, it ain't right. I don't know. This bathing suit is reckless.
Oh yeah, we should probably change.
Where is my phone? Can you believe like this beach be full during spring break? How are you? Thank you. I can't.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, y'all. You know, as much as other women, I really hate to be this girl because I don't want to discount other women, but as much as other women like hate being catcalled, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't care. I mean, at the end of the day, like, yeah, it's annoying, especially if it's incessant. I was like with like a light-skinned girl one day, and so she was light-skinned, I'm brown-skinned, and the men were on her. And that was annoying because we couldn't take 2 steps without them saying something to her. One time I was in the club, it was like high school. I was in the club with a white girl, and it was like we were all like black, and like all the black guys were on her. Wouldn't stop saying something to her. And so that was annoying because like you can't walk. You literally can't walk without someone saying something. But if it's just like in passing, he didn't try to get with me, he didn't bother me, he said 5 words and kept it pushing. It's okay, like it's all right. But that's just the word of one woman. Listen to the rest, y'all. Don't listen to me. But here I am. I did not understand design. Girl, why can I remember her name right? Design by, y'all, it's like Design 28. I design. She recommended the bum spray, or is it just bum? Sun bum. Shauna's shaking her head at me. The sun bum sunscreen. Oh my gosh. Sun bum sunscreen. And she was like, y'all want to know why I look so good? Y'all always asking what I have on when I'm on vacation. And I'm like, she was like, oh, I have on the sun bum. And I was like, okay, why is it making you glisten? It's just sunscreen. Y'all, it's like oil based. Like, y'all see me? Y'all see it? Like, yes. I did not know that until I sprayed it just now. So she put me on. She really put us on to all the tea. So I'm about to put y'all away with these nice men's. And me and Shauna, we're gonna just be on Instagram. So if y'all want to see me being lit, y'all gotta follow me on Instagram to see my stories and whatnot. So, oh my gosh, guys, I hope y'all can hear me because you're in a little bag. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I gotta keep this shit under my legs. Woo! Shauna! Say hi to the camera, Shauna!
Oh, I feel so much better up here. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Oh wait, am I supposed to keep this under something? This is supposed to be under something? Oh,
No.
We're both freaking out about this.
Oh my god, Shauna, this is actually so like chill.
I don't like the fact this is high anxiety. It's just making me laugh though. It's kind of helping me in a way.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Okay, I was fine. We were going a little higher.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, okay.
Wait, when are we gonna get dipped in the water?
Never. We're staying up here.
No, they're gonna dip us.
I'm gonna go higher. Okay.
I don't think we have a choice.
Chill out. I'm chilling myself out right now.
Enjoy the view. Okay, y'all, like low-key, we're not backlit anymore. But we're coming down. They about to dip us. Oh, shit. I'm in the ocean, bitch. Ooh. Ah. They dipped us. Woo. They dipped us. Oh, they bring us back up. That's fine.
Yeah, I needed that. I think that's what I needed.
Hold on, Shauna. You can't even get in it because then we're going to be back.
Okay, now I feel good. I think, you know what I think it was? I was overheated.
Maybe.
Yeah. So my stomach felt like that. I felt really overheated. Yeah.
Well, my butt is out in the sky. This was so lit, y'all. Go parasailing if you never have. Okay, I just hope our landing isn't rough. Ooh, I don't want it to be rough. Oh, it was gentle.
Your face went from like the most disgusted to like the most pleased in the fastest time I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, this is
You guys have fun?
we had so much fun, yeah.
So we made it to the Selfie Museum, me and Shauna. There's not a lot of people in here. I thought it would be more people. We should do a boomerang and you do a hair flip. Hold on. It's your time to shine, Shauna. It's your time to shine. I honestly love Shauna doing hair flips. I don't think she's impressed with herself as much as I am. I have to put some lip gloss on. Hey peeps, so I got this gelato and it is raspberry cheesecake and it is so good. Did y'all see it? It is so good. It tastes just like raspberry cheesecake. It don't make no sense. Also, can y'all tell that I did my makeup very light? Very different from yesterday. I don't know what I was doing yesterday. Yesterday I hated my makeup, but there was nothing I could really do about it other than wipe it off, and I was like, let me not wipe it off. It looks okay enough, I guess. So I was like, let me just keep going with the flow here. IDK, if I really just looked a hot mess and shouldn't have did that. Who knows? But what I do know is this gelato is the bomb that time. Look at Shauna being an influencer. I'm influencing people to influence. Okay, come on now. Come on now. Hey y'all, I have my like little light from Amazon on here. I'll leave the link to what I got from Amazon. I'm here with Shauna. We're just sitting on the beach and we're with some guys that we met. They're pretty okay.
They're chill, yeah.
Yeah, so the guy that I was like talking to, he is getting changed, I guess. He claimed he coming back, but you know, no hopes, no expectations. But his two friends, is it three?
Three friends.
Three friends, they're in the ocean with two of our friends right now. I guess, I mean, I'll probably go in there in a second. But the thing is, I don't want to leave my camera over here because I'm tired. I'm scared to keep going in there because the outside, yeah, the water, the outside of my case is already kind of like moist. So I don't want to keep going out there getting it wet. It hasn't seeped through all the way, so my camera has been dry this whole time, but I don't know how much it can take or not take. I don't really remember when I bought this if it said it was waterproof. I have no idea. So yeah, the dude that I'm talking to, he was supposed to be with me this whole time, but he keep leaving me or whatever. So I don't know if he really coming back or not. But we supposed to be playing cards, and truly and honestly, ain't no way for us to even see these cards, even with my light, for real. So
yeah, we might have to go upstairs.
Yeah, and that's what dude I was talking to. He wants to be inside anyway, but it's like he was talking about it being humid out here, but it's not even humid.
No, not really.
It's like really like just normal and windy, honestly.
It feels
so
10 times better than it did last night.
Yeah, and it's warmer than inside. Inside is a fucking problem to me. I'm fucking cold as shit. So I'd rather not be inside. Like honestly, I'm so cold in the building that if I had the money, I would change buildings. If another building was like more regular, I would leave this bitch. It's so cold in there. Like I can't enjoy not a breath Not a step in our resort hotel situation. Like honestly, as soon as I walk in there, I'm instantly upset, to be honest. It's just so cold. One of them walking back over here. Let's get him on camera. I think he only got underwear on, y'all. You want to get on my vlog?
On your vlog?
Yeah.
You got a lot of people there?
No.
Hello. I don't know how to do that shit.
Who are you? What you rap? What? Come on.
My name's Zeno. I'm from Fresno, California.
Period.
55993706. I'm a working man, no kids, and that's what it is.
Oh, nice. You got an Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? Come back. What's your Instagram?
Zeno, Z-I-N-O equals E-C-H-O-L-S at 03.
Ooh, get it to him.
Y'all lied to me. Y'all name ain't Juju or Eric.
No, they're in the water. I'm Shauna. This is Amber.
Wait, oh, she's talking to us?
Shauna.
Oh, wow. No. You ain't met me.
Oh, I ain't meet you, girl.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
coming
this is
over.
Amber. Yeah.
She's not gonna meet her.
Hold on. Who? Yeah, I am from the hood.
Oh, my God.
I am from the hood.
Period. What's your name, though?
I am Amber. What's your name?
Lord, don't have me on there.
Tell them your Instagram.
My IG is Drip Kings Essentials.
Ah, that
Drip Kings, KYNGZ Essentials. We got all men's, all natural men's hair and skincare products.
All drip.
Fuck with a nigga like me.
Oh, God. Hello.
Hi. I'm full of fan love. I'm so sorry.
It's fine. You got skinny girl, she get it to me. What did she do? She kicked it in my face, honey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all drinking?
Yeah, we all.
Y'all drinking and smoking and all that. Who is the nails for me?
These are nice for you. It's the nails for us.
Yeah.
It's the nails.
Okay.
Ready? You got to stand there. Ain't nobody see y'all here. One. Yeah. Two.
I know KY Jelly, fuck that.
Drive the boat.
I'm gonna kick out some shit.
Real shit.
I got Caramel Drip Cosmetics, which is an all-natural women's cosmetic line. I got Drip Kings Essentials, which is all natural. You know
Nigga, Black business. Hold on, look.
Period.
Time out. I don't want none of your products, but I will buy your product just to support you.
Well,
You
look
feel
at
what I'm
God.
saying?
You heard me?
Listen,
Let me tell you something.
I support black businesses.
I got
we
stuff.
do.
Feel me? I got stuff for men.
We actually
And I got
investors.
stuff for
We're
women.
investors.
You heard what I said.
I will give you
Drip Kings, KYNGZ.
What do you have on you? She's
I flew, so I couldn't have nothing on me.
All right.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you though.
Look, time out.
Find that period, sus.
She makes that shit. Everything's vegan products. All that she got you. Your shit'll be right. And it smells amazing. So you'll have some women on your neck. You hear me? Alright, you ready? You're ready because she gonna stop you and she gonna be like,
So I had to
what you
change
got
my
on?
flight shit.
So be ready. That's all the coochie that's coming your way. Just be ready. Because there's going to be some coochie to come your way.
It's gonna get you coochie.
It's going to get you some coochie.
That's basically what she's saying.
Shit smells amazing. You know, the first thing women know about you is smell. On God. On God. Everything. You can look like a piece of shit.
I just smell dirty. What I'm saying is,
No, I don't believe that. I think y'all.
It's the truth. No, it's the truth.
I think y'all look at
a
the
lot of men
looks.
don't smell like nothing or they stink.
I think y'all starting to stuff.
that's why I ain't got nothing on me.
I know you ain't lying. You good. I know she ain't lying. She keeping all the way 1,000. Either smell good or you stink, nigga.
What's the first thing you noticed this morning? What was the first thing you said about dude who walked past us?
What is demeanor?
The way he smelled. That's the
yeah.
first thing women noticed about a man.
Yeah,
You remember that? We asked him. We said, what you got on? He said,
it was
don't
in
take
the
a
wind.
bottle.
He was on the other balcony. I said,
was
what
ready-
you got
I
on?
was ready to make that man my husband because the way he smelled, I got a whole
I said
nigga
about an
on,
Uber
okay?
driver. I said, I don't know
You
what
hear
the
what
rest
I'm
of his
saying
face
to
is like because he got a mask on, but
Okay,
he
so y'all,
good.
so
He
before
smell
you
good.
smell him, you don't like size him up? or
Nah,
nothing?
I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Because you might not even see him. He come from the side. You like, what's that?
Cause I'm gonna tell you
What's
what
that?
it's a pheromone release. So in our brains, it's like, damn, it's sexy. You feel what I'm saying? Like you might see a bitch and be like, damn, her ass is fat. You feel me? I don't give a fuck about none of that. If I smell him first, he mine. He coming to me. Cause I like the way it smells. If you smell good, you gonna be mad. You feel what I'm saying? I don't care about none of that. Other shit we can work out. You ain't that cute, we'll deal with that.
I like that.
No. You went to Ohio State? From West Virginia.
Bella Leo. Okay.
I'm not running game. You can run the game.
Hey. Oh, let her sing happy birthday to you. Come on, Ari, sing. Come on, sing. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you.
I apologize.
Come on, say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Wait a minute, whose birthday is it?
Thank you.
What's her name? What's her name? What's your name? Gina. Oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, he want to sing to you.
The Fresno song.
Gina, you
No. Show her.
Hold on.
You want to get it, Gina.
I'm gonna tell you the Fresno
ahead,
song.
Gina.
They be like, hey, it's your birthday, bitch. Hey.
One time.
Hey, it's your birthday. Hey, it's your birthday, bitch. Hey, it's your birthday, bitch. Hey, no, it's for real. It's a real song. I'm gonna send it to you.
We gonna wow. We gonna swing. We gonna swing. We gonna ball. Hey, turn it all the way up. That's not I can do.
Hey peeps, so I'm here with Shauna. We're about to go paddle boarding.
Yes.
We're running late, per usual. That's been the trend of the trip.
Yeah.
Literally, paddle boarding is in like 9 minutes, and we were supposed to be there 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So here we are, still at the residence, and our Uber canceled on us, and then we had to order another Uber. So yeah, that's what's going on. Here's my bathing suit from Shein. Y'all saw it in the haul. If you missed the haul, make sure you check it out after this video. And also the cover up is from Shein as well. It has drawstrings. Sunglasses are from Forever 21, super cheap. Hair in a bun, cause I think I don't know. I really am.
Bang?
Did I say bang bun?
I don't know. It sounded like you said bang. I was like, it looks like a bun to me.
I'm really trying not to get my hair wet because it seems like falling is a huge thing for this paddleboarding. So we'll see. We had so much fun last night, y'all, and it was just too much. We were drunk and stuff, drinking and everything. I think I showed y'all a little bit of us starting drinking, I think. I can't remember really. But I hope that, well, I just couldn't show y'all, and it was just a lot going on, so I didn't film anything. So that's unfortunate. But we really just went out and we were drinking and we went to the beach and we had met these guys and invited them, and we were in the water. Then we met some girls and they had music, so we were just like dancing and talking to them. It was a fine, lovely time. Things got lit. We went to Denny's. One of the dudes paid for our food, paid for the Uber, so that was nice. And yeah, that was the situation.
This was on the beach.
That was everybody else.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought you were talking about
How was y'all's night last night?
Okay, our driver's arriving.
Extraordinary.
How was your night last night, Ari?
Oh, it was a night.
Ari was on another level, y'all.
Yeah, for sure.
Which we don't even,
level of her own.
in the moment, we didn't even understand how it got like that.
Yeah, we didn't know. It just
There's the Camry I wanted. But yeah, so hopefully paddleboarding is lit. We still have to pay and everything though. Because you pay when you get there. Oh, I don't have makeup on today, y'all, so. Which I look fine without makeup. It's just you see that I'm a little tired under the eyes. That's it.
flat on the back. Now, if you see, each bird has a leash, so we are tied to the balls. The worst thing that can happen is get wet and be floating next to them. Okay?
Okay.
Now, don't worry because we don't have sharks or alligators. If we are lucky, we can see a manatee. That will be super nice to see.
That's what she wants.
And, well, if imagine that we fall, it's okay. Just go back exactly in the middle point, okay?
Get some pictures of the yard.
My life jacket.
While you're on the board.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to.
Yeah, she said you could cross your legs. So.
Yeah.
Let me put the leash on your foot first.
Oh, no.
Now, you can be in the middle. Sit in the second point. Perfect. Good job. Now, front to
Ari ain't scared. Alright, look at me and smile.
close to the ball. Yes, good job. Right, who's the next?
I'll go next.
I just can't with this girl. There you go.
Woo, okay, we got it. Yep, and then when you want to go straight, do both sides. We're coming back. I swear, it's beautiful. Where you at?
Probably gonna crash into you. Oh no, help me, y'all. Shauna, don't let me go into this wood thing. Shauna.
I just did this. Put this like this, and you move right.
I can't turn.
I can't.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm on my way. I'm making my way downtown. Well, I'll get her.
I gotta just breathe.
Hi, Amber. Girl. Oh no.
Ooh, I'm glad.
Grab me. Grab me.
Oh my God.
Grab me. Grab me. I got you. Oh God. I'm floating away. Oh Jesus. I got you. Okay.
We're good. We're good to go now.
Okay. I was like, is this? You can hold this and get me.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, girl.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay.
So how you feeling about this trip, Amber? Let me know.
It's been an experience, to say the least.
Mhm.
I really liked the food we had the other day.
Mhm.
I like that we finally hung out with some new people.
There we go.
I like the fact that I have not fallen on this board.
That's a plus.
I hope we see a manatee.
Oh, that's an extra plus.
But how far we gotta go to see a manatee? Because I just don't like all this wood stuff. You know, black people don't do this. They got me out here. Like,
All the woodsy stuff.
I don't do that. No wood for me. See, we get too close to that. See, that's y'all. If you watch Walking Dead, you know the little swamps in The Walking Dead. Who watched The Walking Dead? So it's like, I don't like this. I don't like this.
Oh.
This where they be at, coming up crazy.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Oh shoot, let me.
Oh, that's
Now
okay.
tell me how to turn.
So just go on the right side and you'll turn left. We might hit these for a minute. But you could also push off of a branch, so. Oh no! That's okay. What? That's okay.
Oh, I need to go.
What?
It's a crab.
Oh.
We have crabs on all the trees.
Oh, there's a crab? Oh, there's a spider.
Oh, Jesus, help me.
Hold on, Amber, just push off of it. Yeah.
There's a crab? Yes. The mangrove has
This is still recording. Oh.
Okay, come on.
Did you still want this recording, Amber?
Remember when you paddling on the right on the bottom. When you're paddling on the left on the bottom. Okay.
I think I got it now. That crab made me get it together because I can't do no crabs that look like spiders. I can't do it.
If they're teeny tiny, I like them. The crabs.
Do I go like this? Yeah. Now switch to the other side.
Okay, let me sit up so I can use my
The right
phone.
now on the right.
this right, when I do the right, it's so hard to do the right.
When you do the left on the bottom. So you have to switch hands. Perfect, like that. Good job.
Hold on, Amber, I'm gonna put your, here, look.
There you are.
Let me give you your phone, Amber. Okay. So you know, and then I'll get up so I can use my paddle. This is very relaxing. Oh, that's okay. Go ahead, Amber. Okay, y'all are in the little packet thing. We are out here with our instructor, and we are we are paddleboarding across the ocean. Sorry, y'all, okay, so we're going to the other side right now. I gotta keep going because they about to pass me now. Okay, so let me go because I'm turned around. But there's everybody. Shauna was getting a little motion sickness, so we had to leave her at this little like island thing. But yeah, I got a beer because I was hungry, and she had water, the instructor, but water don't fill me up, so I just needed, beer will fill me up, so I just needed something that fill me up until we can get some food. I haven't ate at all today, not one thing.
The water is pushing you back again. The water is pushing you back.
Oh, okay, let me go because it's pushing me back. Bye. Don't step on a rock. Ooh.
There's 4 bedrooms. Yeah, 4 bedrooms. Matthew, yeah, but Matthew, I don't know.
Hey, go ahead. Hey. Uh-oh. Hey. Oh, I'm recording again. Hi. Okay. So we got Sean up here. There's Amber. There's Jawani up there too. Sorry, my recording may be very bad. Oops, sorry, that's my pole. And we're just going, you know. That's our instructor Vanessa up there. Super sweet, super cool. And this is us trying to fight the mangrove to get away from it. Hey peeps, so we finally made it to Nobu. Y'all got to see a little bit of our activity. That's kind of all we did today. Then we went back home and started getting ready for Nobu. My first time at Nobu. I'm so excited. And here's everybody. Everybody looks so nice. So I'm gonna show y'all our food when it come out, but I'm about to try this lychee martini for the first time, and so many people I know talk about it. I go to Instagram, but this is the first thing that pops up on my page. I'm like, oh. It's pretty good. It kind of reminds me of an alloy drink. It just tastes like a hard seltzer alloy drink. What'd you get, Giovanni? I got the pineapple martini. You like it? I do. Okay, is it strong or? It's not strong. It's okay. It's okay. You can definitely taste the alcohol, but it's not like overpowering. Okay. So we got these little martinis. Fresh water. This girl, because we told you her night was something else. So. I have this fresh water. It tastes so great. She was over here talking about, I'm going to just say the best thing on the menu is the water.
I can't.
Should we make some decisions?
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna put what this is called. Let me show y'all. Whatever this is called, I'm gonna put it on the screen. But I'm about to try this raw stuff for the first time. I'm gonna share with them too. So, Shauna tried to tell me how to do these chopsticks.
Water is so gorgeous.
Ooh, I'm scared.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
You don't remember getting back into the apartment?
I don't. Y'all, this is good.
I don't even know what
Try it.
Wasn't
You know how hot my hands are? Your hands are cold.
Well, this one's touching the water, but this one's
Which one is that?
This is your house special coat roll?
Okay, that's for you.
Perfect. I'll leave it right there.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Now, what is this, y'all? You sure it's a grape?
Looks like a grape to me.
Excuse me. Do you know what this is right here?
That's a Japanese baby peach. You eat it, so it's meant to cleanse your palate for your next course.
Okay, thank you.
Nice. That's pretty cool.
It's
Scared of this.
This is a baby. Oh shoot! I thought I picked it up, but I didn't. This is a baby some another, and it's meant to cleanse your palate before your next thing.
Is this cooked? It was a pear.
How you know that?
It was up.
Because
It was something wrapped in a pear.
Oh, you were listening? Okay, y'all. Here's my house special. Here's some of her food. You know what she got?
I got the California roll and the eel and cucumber.
Okay, and then what'd you get?
I got the shrimp tempura and the soft shell crab. Ooh.
Okay. And then her and Shauna pretty much got the same thing. So, okay. But I'm about to cleanse my palate with this little thing right here.
Oh, got the chopsticks down.
So are we sharing? Do y'all want to switch and dibble and dabble,
I don't know yet.
or y'all just want y'all's food?
That's raw. I don't want that.
It is. It's so good. That's good.
Sorry. I haven't even ate mine yet.
Thank you. So this is an eel.
That's the eel and cucumber.
Eel and cucumber. Let's see. This doesn't have as much flavor as the soft or the house, but it's the soy sauce that kind of makes it. Yeah. That soft crab go crazy though. Right. Y'all, I got the spicy tuna and something rice.
You said that's like
and crispy rice.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to act natural. I was like, she'll realize.
I was like, wow, is Amber talking to me? I'm about to hear the whole conversation.
I was responding to you, but trying to also make it seem like I'm only responding to the camera.
That's hilarious.
So look, the rice comes in a square. You dip it into the sauce, the soy sauce. So this is the crispy rice, and then you scoop the tuna with a small spoon and eat it.
Well, hopefully it's not bothering me. I mean, I'm okay right now. If he texts me one more time, I'm gonna block him.
Who?
30 minutes, get what up. Put your ass in your face, call my wings on. Beating on your chest. Bill with it, get you a shoulder that you can lay no. Her name was Money and she was green though.
Hey peeps, we are about to do jet skis.
You guys will have some free time to ride around and down here. We have this bridge to that bridge all the way down at the end.
I see it now.
You guys see the bridge too?
I see it now.
Hey guys, so I'm on the jet ski and I already went fast already and it was a vibe, so I'm here for it. He's supposed to be telling us about this house right there.
telling us about this house, but somebody else like wasn't getting over to us, and he went back. I think I see them now, so I don't know. Hopefully they get over to us. Yeah, the only thing is with these jet skis, you literally cannot hit something. You literally cannot hit it because it's $250 per square inch. Okay, so no. Yeah, so we just sit in the ocean. We're supposed to be on like a tour. That's why he's about to like tell us about the house. And then it's like the last like few minutes is when we're gonna get to like really do stuff on our own, like just, you know, go in the water or whatever with the jet skis. My bathing suit's so cute from Shein. If you saw the haul, then you already know. When I get enough, when I get enough, when I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. Okay, so we finally made it to Little Havana. We are about to eat at Versailles. It's lit. You already know. We're about to get this Cuban food. Y'all should have seen some more like jet ski footage. It was so good. I kind of have to tell y'all like my experience in the water, so make sure I do. Make sure you hold me to that. Hey peeps, so I'm about to eat this, which is the fufu de platonas with con masitas de porco. So yeah, about to try this. It seems like really like different. It's something that I wouldn't typically eat, so I wanted to go ahead and try it. Saw it on Instagram. So it doesn't taste how plantains typically taste. It's not sweet, and I, as of currently in my life, do not like plantains. It's actually not bad. I think there's corn in here also. It's good, y'all. There's not as much flavor as I would like. Y'all, let me just get a little aerial shot. Let me get an aerial shot. Okay, I'm done with you all. My stomach might have been a little bit bigger than I just want to walk around all these places because they look very high. But there's supposed to be like just different architectural things.
Drop, smoking, no cooking, the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up over the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Call me over, give you a t-shirt. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up the winter boots. My nigga.